Hello, good morning everyone and welcome back to my vlog. So as you know, I have reached Darjeeling और कल ना मेरे वो जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं ना वो लोग आए ना जिनको मैं मिठाई देती हूँ कैंडीज देती हूँ ना कहाँ गए बोल रहे थे इतनी बार आए बोला होल मंथ आई वाज एब्सेंट बेचारा सो दे रियली मिस्ड मी सो दे लाइक कहाँ गए थे आ ही नहीं रहे थे दे आस्क्ड अराउंड लाइक कहाँ तो कल मेरे पास मिठाई था भी नहीं सब खत्म हो चुका था सो आई गिव देम 10 रुपीज़ नो सो आज मैं गई हूँ रीस्टॉक करने सो आई थॉट आई शो यू द रीस्टॉक बेबीज सो गॉट देम दिस वेफर डिलाइट है ना इट्स इन स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर and then I've got them this wafer delight in orange flavor and then इस बार मैंने ये लिया surprise because I was away for a long time मैंने सोचा ये I'll give them only on Sundays है ना क्योंकि बाकी के मुकाबले ये थोड़ा महंगा है और एवरी डे तो नो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा इनके लिए सो या ज़्यादा तो नहीं होगा ऑफिस बेचारा सो मैंने सोचा ये मैं इनको दूंगी संडेज़ को a big surprise है ना every Sunday I'll give them or maybe something else ये जब ख़त्म हो जाएगा and I got this इमली बॉल ये मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है तो उनके साथ साथ मैं भी खाऊंगी ये आई थिंक I don't know they like it or not just try करने के लिए I've got it and the next thing I forgot is this lollipop it's a pop joy lollipop so I've got a big containers this time because मेरा जल्दी ख़त्म हो रहा था because अब पहले 3 थे कि 5 थे 5 हो गए फिर अब 7 हो गए आई डोंट नो अब और कितने होने वाले हैं ना so I'll just restock in case बच्चे एक्स्ट्रा भी आ गए तो I'll not fall short है ना बेचारा they expect come and फिर ऐसे खाली हाथ जाना पड़े तो अच्छा नहीं लगता ना so yeah that's my restock and yeah I wanted to tell you one more thing that there's a very beautiful shop is opened Yaminoki I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or wrong so वहाँ पे you get all the traditional dresses and lots more I think there's a photo booth and all that actually I was planning to go there when it opened उसे open किए हुए हो चुका है कुछ आध महीना 1 or 2 months हो चुका है but I missed it because तभी आंटी लोग आए थे and we had all this thing going the trip started and all that so I couldn't so आज मैंने खींचू भी बोल रहा था कब से चलो 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 ना because the beautiful girl who's opened the shop खींचू को बहुत पसंद है so yeah he wanted me to go there as soon as possible so I've decided to go today because I have to buy something for him also a traditional munju because apparently उनके स्कूल में अब there's a Tibetan week so in the whole week they have to wear the Tibetan munju so which is a very good thing I believe and tradition को बिल्कुल alive रखने के लिए and it's a must I believe and it's a very good initiative and I'm going there today so check it out also वैसे तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा दार्जिलिंग में जो है because it's quite famous on Insta and all ना she's doing very well and it's all her design तो आज उनसे पूछेंगे कैसा है you know all that मुझे भी ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है but I'll show you all the collection and I hope you like it and you'll definitely visit her store चलिए फिर I'll see you when Khitsu comes okay so this is the new store I was talking about ये देखिए such a beautiful dress for a little girl the collection is very nice बाहर से ही पता चल रहा है it's very nice yeah what else do we have yeah same thing here जो है ना Manning jersey such a pretty top huh? but let me just shoot a little no see it's very nice yeah look at this कितना सुंदर टॉप है लेट मी सी इट्स वेरी क्या बोलते हैं यार आई डोंट हैव द वर्ड्स आल्सो सी दिस इज या छुपा लड़के का छुपा दिस इज फॉर किड्स and I love this hat by the way it's very nice and you have this umbrella which I saw on the reels also see this is the Yaminoki designs guys let me show you what is there His Holiness and these are all I think the pieces clothes right to stitch छैन है यिनीहरू चाहिँ wait okay look at this बहिनी मलाई अलिक देखाइदिने म कस्तो राम्रो डिजाइनहरु देखाइदेऊ न अलिक के छ see this is all made with the hunju ko त्यो लुगा है it's with the hunju nice what else यसमा पनि you'll get colors हुन्छ show me like one design and the colors is fine I'll show the colors yeah so this is how it is very modern twist okay not the same design मलाई अर्को देखाइदिनुस् this is the new one no I saw on your reels
is trending no
it's very nice yeah it's your own design huh?
yeah this one like most of the designs are created by us but then we've kept ready-made pieces also as well
acha both okay
readily available in the market as well
so nice okay and this you have the black color yeah there's one black so you can just wear it on chupa
yeah
right?
or denim or trouser like
yeah you can do that also yeah fusion type
yeah
no
Chinese frock buttons no and
very
these
nice
one no these are like made out of wool
just show me what's
red one this one
oh perfect for Darjeeling weather
yeah perfect for Darjeeling weather
so beautiful
I'll show this one also these are just the samples like we make one pieces each and if like so many people approves it then we
you
go for the bulk a bit modern twist
very nice so this is the label
these are like if you want more simple
very nice I really like this yeah बहुत बढ़िया डिजाइन है
this also is created by us only from the scratch
nice yeah
jersey.
Singe Tibet jersey I bought already from MT even she had this
This one.
another t-shirt it's in cotton okay
Where
your roots okay even this is nice so you have all the sizes and everything
Yeah,
right?
size and everything is available.
Available.
These are for the
Okay.
kids.
Yo boyo. Oh my god, yeah, I saw on your reels, yeah. Yesterday only came, I think. So this is very nice for small babies. Oh my god, yeah, definitely.
This one also.
This I think boys are like, you girls are like.
Yeah.
Oh, so pretty, my
This
goodness.
is chupa separate and the coat separate, but then it's made as a set.
Okay, so you have to buy it separately.
No, you can buy it as a set, but
Acha.
then it's separate. It's not attached.
Acha, it's like that. Okay, yeah. It's just chupa. Under se plain chupa hai, and on top of that, there's this beautiful coat.
We have colors also. This one is also new design.
This is also very nice, yeah.
This is also wool.
ये थोड़ा मोटा वाला है, woolen है. Oh my god, designs are very nice. I've never seen ऐसा design मैंने कहीं और देखा नहीं है actually. So pretty. Look at this frills. Oof, your designs, my goodness.
This one is more like a frock, but then
Yeah.
or chupa as well.
Okay, a twist.
Yeah, twist.
A twist. Traditional and this frock twist. I like it. Look at this puff.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. So maybe you have colors, purple,
Yeah.
pink. Even this cloth's nice. Okay,
Yeah, we have color options.
beautiful. You have all the color options. Yeah.
Some of it are like ready-made pieces. For example, these bags are Tenzing's.
Tenzing's is from where? Acha, Delhi?
Yeah,
I
Tenzing.
didn't know.
Tenzing bag.
Very nice bag. But good. Will go very well with chuba and all, no? Traditional. Nice ones. This is super cute, huh? My god, I love this. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, ये सब colors है. Red one, and I showed you this color. And ये है आपका. Even these are very nice. ये जो है ना बनी चिन्ला. It's a new design, na? Male hunju. Yeah, in this also you have colors, designs. This is very nice. ये देखिए. Even the colors are very very good. Yeah. And एकछिन यो देखाउनु ल बहिनी. ये चाहिँ कस्तो स्टिच नै हो. Okay, this is stitched. तो ये अलग से नहीं है. It's very nice. इसमें आपका ये कलर भी है एक. This is a very nice color. Very simple color. Wow. ये सब कलर्स है आपका इसमें ना. Very simple. Oh, what is this? Yeah? Oh, it's for ladies. Oh, ladies. So nice, yeah. So you know, आपका traditional wear की needs के लिए where you have to come. Even this is very nice. See, there's a lot of beautiful collection here. Even this color is very nice, navy. So this is the traditional wear. And what else we have? Oh, okay. Ready-made hunjus. Okay. And okay, hunju. It's same. Okay. Same but different colors. So lots of colors. Yeah. This is, I think, sheep wool go like you. So nice. Yeah, winter ko lagi dami. It's perfect for winters. And the get somebody. यो चाहिँ अलिक ठुलो त्यो रहेछ नि त यो अगाडिको है हुन्जु. दिस इज लाइक द हमारा जो नॉर्मल हुन्जु होता है ना सेम ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. एंड दिस वाज एक्चुअली इस तरह से ना टॉप में लगाने का. एंड दीज आर व्हाट टिश्यू बॉक्सेस. नाइस. वेरी प्रिटी टिश्यू बॉक्सेस. वेरी ट्रेडिशनल. नाइस डिजाइन. And this is also tissue box. Tissue boxes. You have different designs. Jewelry box type. No, this is much. Okay, so this you can keep your jewelry or anything you want. And the backpacks. Oh, backpacks are nice, yeah.
Follow me.
एउटा देखाइदिनुहुन्छ. साइज एउटा यो सबै ठुलो हुनु पर्ने थियो. पर्यो यो. तर यसको त्यही आउँदैन होला. Bag is nice. Kizuna, you like the bag? You can take one bag, no?
Oh yeah.
For yourself. Which color do you like?
I think I like the blue one.
Which one? This one?
Near the shoe in this. This one.
No, I think the green one is nice or the grey one. You grey एकछिन दिखाइदिनुहोस् बहिनी. Kizuna का भी अभी वो नहीं है ना bag.
Stylish nail.
See, this is very traditional Tibetan bag. स्कूल बैग भी कर सकते हैं इसको. एक कम्पार्टमेन्ट चाहिँ एउटा मात्रै रहेछ है फेरि. सानो भएको जस्तो लाग्यो स्कुलको लागि. दामी रहेछ नि त. यहाँ पनि स्पेस रहेछ. इट्स अ भेरी भेरी ब्युटिफुल बैकपैक. छोटे बच्चों के लिए तो परफेक्ट है. अच्छा, अनि यो बहिनी ह्यान्ड ब्याग देखाउनु सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ? हुन्छ माथिसम्म देखेर एकछिन देखाइदिने. Oh, so now this is a beautiful bag, huh? Tibetan Tenzing. This is also Tenzing's. And a wallet. It comes with a wallet. So you have different colors, brown, and you have this magenta color. You have the Stanley cups, small tiny cups. You have the cup. Look at him, pirate. He's become a pirate. These beautiful cups.
Show the photo.
Okay, wait. Let me show it properly. You have these keychains, lovely keychains. बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर keychains है. And this like mobile में लगाने का ना charms वगैरह. See, beautiful it is, yeah. Kurumi, Hello Kitty, and all these scrunches. accessories.
Wet.
These are what? Wet tissues. Oh, wet wipes. अच्छा, and you have this K photo booth here. तो यहाँ पे आप ना आके अपना फोटो खींच सकते हैं. For example, something like this. है ना? So it's ₹200 per photo strip. Maximum 4 people. Maximum 10 minutes. And you have things which you can wear and click pictures. Lot of things actually. So yeah, this is how the photo booth is. Yeah, you have the accessories here also. यहाँ भी आप use कर सकते हैं. And this is how it looks. And the instructions are given here. Very simple. Oh, and you have this. ये भी है decoration pieces ना. Yeah. ये सब decoration pieces. I love this hat. बाहर था ना. What else is there? Wallets. So you have these traditional Tibetan wallets. Lot of designs.
Mama, buy me. I'll save my.
ये भी है. Different design.
I'll put my Aadhaar card.
And you have these small wallets also. This is nice, huh? Tiny
Mama,
ones.
I need the exchange.
Hande, wallet? No. Why? You don't need wallet. You don't have money only.
You give 1,000 sometimes 100. When Momo
yeah.
someone gives.
Gents and ladies दोनों के लिए है इधर options.
Buy me this little.
ये आपका ये stickers ना.
Look, Mama.
Chicken stick. What else is here? Let me see. The bracelet. It's a bracelet. Mining gel. Okay. It's a Z bracelet.
Zebra.
Z bracelet. Nice, yeah. And you have cow. You have these traditional jewelries. बहुत सारे options है इधर.
That's 50 for this zebra.
Look at this. I think it's a choker. इस तरह से भी है.
Mama.
Pouches. And you have these
Glass को
pouches
bracelet.
also. ये सब wool का बना हुआ है.
Mama, glass
So
को
many
bracelet.
designs, so many colors.
Mama, when did glass को bracelet skin?
And you have these beautiful, I showed you na abhi, the umbrella. And you have jade,
Glass को.
jade का ये
It's made out of
क्या
glass.
बोलते हैं, bangles. And the keychains you have, lot of keychains, Tibetan keychains, है ना सब. And you have the earrings. Nice, yeah.
Mama, buy this one.
Beautiful collection. You want?
For you.
Okay. And ये hairbands भी है. So this is one-stop shop. Okay, इधर भी है. What is this?
मूसा को.
त्यो ओ अच्छा वेस्ट मार रहा छुपा लेता है. What do you call this? I forgot now. So yeah, ये भी है. And you have bags.
Don't show the whole Mama.
Nice.
A Superman.
Oh, बहिनी यो बुट एकछिन देखाइदिनु नि मलाई. के दामी रहेछ हौ. छुपाको मुनि लाउने.
Superman red comes.
Perfect for winters. See? Even this is Tenzing's.
No, Aja. This comes from Lhasa.
Hasa.
It's not Tenzing.
Oh my god, look at this boot. It's pure leather.
Now, pure leather.
मम्मा खाने नहीं जरूरत. Laces भी है पीछे इस तरह से zip. And it's pure leather. ये आपका ना lining है soft. It's beautiful. And all sizes available.
No, Aja, just now, right now, since all the stocks are over, we just have 2 pieces left. We have to
2
reorder.
pieces. अच्छा. Okay,
So
okay.
for now, we have 40 and 41.
40 and
sizes.
41 size. Okay.
These also, all the stocks are over.
Lol. Okay. Spinner.
Yeah, fidget spinner.
Fidget. Ning gel.
Can I buy?
Yeah, which one you want?
I want this one, technical.
And these
What
are
are
all
the
fridge
boys called?
magnets.
It's all sold out. No, it's Ketsin, we'll get it last.
Oh, it's very cute.
$1.
So fridge magnets.
Guys, I'll show you.
We have these clutches, brush. Hey, where is it? My mother wanted. Bichara, she's not here now. Amma, if you like anything, let me know. I'll send it.
These small
Maybe
items,
Ishmi.
no, I kept it for the people who wants to click photo booth.
Oh,
That they
okay.
just come out and see and take.
It's a locket, I think. Locket, oh.
Yeah, that's a pendant.
Oh, pendant. Nice.
Boys ko.
Boys ko ke?
Boys ko kiya one. What boys?
What boys ko?
Spinner, it's this much only. It's over.
It's a locket. See, there's a
Boys
brush.
ko dekhi putyo. Pikachu ko.
And then you have all these clips.
Hit it, no? Kept Parajan. Not. Thank you, Acha.
Yummy.
Kitchen has no.
Yeah, we think this will keep the
But tomorrow is our chutti, man.
And you have these जो आप ये छुपा के ऊपर पहनते हैं है ना, especially for losar and special occasions. So these are the accessories. Okay.
Acha, you just click this template.
There's something
Okay.
Anything.
Anything.
And then
Okay.
next, Chena. Post share. If you don't like it, no, you can cancel it from here. Look.
Okay.
So you would,
So 6 pictures,
Now
right?
there's
Okay.
pictures and then the effects and the stickers. Sticker
Alright.
page, you have to call us. Last.
Okay.
If you don't like this, no, you can cancel it.
Oh, like that.
Maybe this come this side, no? This wala zada thing which walk up the. Come this side, no? This dish, no?
Okay.
I think I'm
Friend, di chelo, di apo here.
Yeah, let's do that.
Get ready. Get ready.
You have to look at the camera. Hey, this is nice. Should I put one more?
No.
Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Get
Acha.
Yeah. Acha, come closer, Los. Yeah. Okay.
Nice. Let's see what kids likes. Okay. Amma, come on, yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
And then you wanted anything in this one.
Now, Mama choose. Mama choose.
This one.
Now, my turn.
Nice.
For the poop face, do you have like anything poopy?
Pookie. Oh, and
Poop, poop.
Poopy? Yeah. What's to do with this guy, eh?
Yeah.
Ah, Tibet.
Desha.
Dasha. Dasha.
Desha, the vitla. Any?
I want.
One last nice.
No.
Dear.
Dashi Shakmalai. Then,
Ah,
So this, put this, no?
then.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so cute.
I look the best too.
Done. It's printing.
I like this one the most.
Which one? This one? Yeah, this one.
Look at us. Oh, so nice. Good.
And the
You
pictures
get it in your mail also if you want. If you don't want it,
Ah, it's finally come, show. I think that. Ah, so nice. Kitsu in me.
Let's take it home. Otherwise, we have to stick it here.
So nice. Let's take
Actually,
it.
I'll put it in an envelope.
This is the Yeminoki designs, guys. Oi, show the picture. And wear that. I want to show where.
What?
See you.
I'll wear the
Size.
angel.
ये पिक्चर है हमारा.
And I bought this, guys. And I bought
सुंदर.
fidget. Guys.
हम दोनों का. Yeah.
And I bought fidget spinner.
No, wear this. I want to see the size. Okay, so it was such a
Shivu,
good experience going to Yeminoki. बहुत मज़ा आया. इतने सारे dresses थे बच्चों की. I wanted to buy all, you know, especially for my brother's kids. ला. please do visit Yamenoki. The address is J Complex, ground floor, basement. And बिल्कुल आपके क्या बोलते हैं उसके J Complex के ground floor में है. And the collection is fabulous. It's very nice. एक visit तो ज़रूर कीजिए. You know, I'm sure you'll like it. And आपके all your लोसर नीड्स, जो भी आपका ये शेरपा लोसर होता है, सो मेनी वो हमारे बुद्धिस्ट ओकेजन्स होते हैं, उसमें बहुत ही बढ़िया है कलेक्शन. एंड ओके, फ्यू कलेक्शंस आर नॉट डिज़ाइन बाय हर, सो या, सो दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन कीप इन माइंड. थोड़ा सा जाते समय ना कुछ डिज़ाइंस आपको इधर उधर मिल जाएंगे दूसरे स्टोर्स में भी, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द डिज़ाइंस आर हर ओन. And it's quite unique. It's very nice. मुझे पसंद आया, बहुत पसंद आया. And let me show you how Kitsu looks. It's nice. Here, come here. Show. Let's go there. Show the thangbo. Come here. Anyway, don't move. I want to show how it really is. ये इस तरह से आपका हुंजू के साथ स्टिच है, स्लीव्स के साथ.
Even this is stitched.
Yeah, so like आपको अलग अलग पहनने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. So, it looks nice. Okay, everyone, so do visit Yamenoki. What do you have to say?
Do visit Yamenoki. It's very good. You should try it. Especially for Sherpas, Tenzins, and Tamangs.
Alright, so do visit Yamenoki, guys. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.